Hi sir, I've come across a place. It is best suitable for our new project. Can you show me? Sure sir. Sir, this is the place I'm talking about. Well, it is a nice place to happen our new project. Let us start it as soon as possible. Okay sir. Hello partner, we have registered the land and starting the construction process from tomorrow.
I feel we need to buy one more new house, as it will be a good investment.
I agree with you, dear. We'll meet the builder tomorrow.
Hello sir, this is our new project, targeted to be completed in the next 6 months.
Happy to hear that.
I see animals around. How are you handling them?
Don't worry madam. Once the construction is over we will push them out.
Hello sir, we will complete all the works within 1 week. Thanks for the update.
We don't want anyone to be here as we got orders from our supervisor and residents.
Thank you for pushing them out of this place, as they are very dangerous to humans.